Welcome to Florida's Indian River Lagoon, a shimmering waterway, once a cradle of life. Sunlight once danced through clear waves, illuminating lush seagrass meadows below. These underwater fields fed and sheltered countless creatures, including the iconic manatee. Manatees, gentle giants of the lagoon, glided gracefully, grazing on seagrass. Mothers taught calves to find the best patches, their lives intertwined with the lagoon's health. As they grazed, manatees kept the seagrass beds thriving, maintaining the ecosystem's balance. Clean water, abundant seagrass, and peaceful manatees defined this natural paradise. The lagoon was a sanctuary, a place where life flourished in harmony. The gentle lapping of water and the slow ballet of manatees symbolized Florida's wild heart. This was nature at its finest, a haven for the gentle giants, asking only for clean water and green grass. But this balance was fragile. Then, the balance tipped. Florida's growing population brought more homes, lawns, and farms. Pollution, especially nitrogen and phosphorus from fertilizers and wastewater, began seeping into the lagoon. These nutrients fueled explosive algal blooms, turning clear water into murky green soup. Sunlight could no longer reach the seagrass below, the lagoon's lifeblood was cut off. Algal blooms choked the water, consuming oxygen and creating a toxic environment. The once vibrant lagoon became a shadow of itself, its beauty fading fast. The paradise was being lost, and its most gentle residents were at risk. What we did on land was destroying life in the water. Fertilizer for our lawns became poison for the lagoon. The Indian River Lagoon, once a treasure of biodiversity, was growing sick. The stage was set for disaster. Beneath the algal blooms, darkness spread. Sunlight vanished, and seagrass meadows died. The heart of the lagoon's food web was gone. Manatees, once surrounded by food, now found only empty sand. They swam for miles, searching for seagrass, growing thin and weak. Starvation set in. Hundreds of manatees died, too weak to survive. The gentle sea cows, with no natural predators, were being killed by hunger. The population, once recovering, began to decline sharply. Each dead manatee was a symbol of a broken ecosystem. The sight of starving animals was a wake-up call. The lagoon was in crisis, and the manatees were its most visible victims. The death of seagrass triggered a chain reaction. Urgent action was needed. Out of crisis came innovation. Meet Joe, Zach, James, and Ashley from Indianhead Soil Technologies. They saw the pollution's root nutrients washing from land to water. Their solution: heal the land to heal the water, with clean living soil. They transform organic waste into rich, absorbent soil teeming with beneficial microbes. This clean dirt acts like a sponge, soaking up water and locking in nutrients. By holding on to nitrogen and phosphorus, the soil prevents pollution from reaching the lagoon. Their process turns yard trimmings and food scraps into a powerful natural filter. Landscapes treated with this soil keep rainwater and nutrients on land. The result? Cleaner runoff, healthier plants, and less pollution in the lagoon. Indianhead's team are true dirt revolutionaries, using nature to protect water. Their simple idea could change everything. Clean dirt creates a win-win for land and water. Plants thrive, needing less chemical fertilizer while nutrients stay put. Rainwater filtered through this soil is cleaner, protecting the lagoon. Less pollution means fewer algal blooms and a chance for seagrass to recover. As seagrass returns, so does the manatee's food source. Healing the land gives the lagoon and its gentle giants a lifeline. The work of Indianhead Soil Technologies proves that innovation and respect for nature can restore balance. Turning waste into living soil builds a sustainable future. There is hope. We have the tools to make a difference. With passion, science, and commitment, we can bring back the seagrass and save the manatees. The lagoon story isn't over. Together we can write a new chapter.